Today we're gonna play Be a Tornado. I wanna see what this is gonna be. I have never played it, so I'm curious what's gonna be. This is iSeries. I don't know why it drops this money. Oh. I clicked something else there, but I guess it's something matter. Ooh, almost got 1 million size. Yes. If you let me try and get a legendary or something. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna go. Whoop. I can't believe my throat is developing quicker than it's supposed to. I can't even do the real voice. The voice that I used to make, but sheesh. No, thank you. Sheesh. 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 Why is that a nuke? Oh. First of all, why would they do that? Second, why do you have that? I literally never actually used Robux. I know you even had them, so why should they have these here? Ja nagrywam. Sorry, I had to speak to someone. And I lost it because of someone. And I do not like it. But anyway. Oh. Not fair. Okay. Because sometimes you don't have to pay for them, you can just get some. I wish it was different. I wish it was Tornado Simulator if I believe there's a Tornado Simulator, but I'm not sure. But anyway, playing this game, so I guess we can play this. Shred. Thank you for that. Pretty sure that guy did not know he had less. I'm pretty sure. But anyway, thank you for everything. But anyway, sorry for eating you, I guess. Let's see if I can eat this guy. Yep, managed to eat him. Sheesh. Oh no. Oh no. Get away from me. Why do you want to eat me? Eat someone else. Heh. She didn't eat me, I guess. But still, I guess this can end this for the video, so like and subscribe, please. I'll be real thankful. I would be happy. Anyway, stay happy and be nice to humans and animals. Anyway, have a nice day and like and subscribe. Thank you.